I've thought a lot about sharing this, what it was like to go through a psychotic episode. Before it happened, I didn't even understand what psychosis was. But life can hit you hard when you least expect it. It started slowly. I was under a lot of pressure at work. Deadlines, sleepless nights. I began feeling paranoid, but I thought it was just stress. Then one night everything broke. My brain couldn't take it anymore. I heard voices, loud, clear voices telling me I was in danger. My thoughts raced, and I felt trapped in my own mind. The fear was overwhelming. I started seeing things, faces in the windows, shadows that weren't there. I couldn't trust anything, not even my own thoughts. But then a friend reached out. They showed up at my apartment when I hadn't been answering calls. They'd been trained as a mental health first responder, which I didn't know at the time. They didn't panic. They just listened, telling me, "You're safe. I'm here for you." Those words grounded me. My friend suggested we call a mental health professional, and though I was scared, I agreed. I saw a doctor that night who told me I was having a psychotic episode. It was terrifying, but it was also a relief. At least I knew what was happening to me. Over time, with therapy and medication, things got better. I worked on managing stress, learned mindfulness, and focused on taking care of myself. It wasn't easy, but I realized that asking for help wasn't a sign of weakness, it was strength. Now, months later, I'm in a better place. I still have tough days, but I know the warning signs. I've learned how to take care of my mental health and accept support when I need it. Looking back, I'm grateful for the friend who helped me get through it. They didn't judge me, they just listened. And that made all the difference. I have learnt that recovery is possible. If you're struggling, don't be afraid to reach out. You're not alone. There's always hope, even when things seem darkest.